Hey guys, in this video, we're gonna be checking out the top 10 best mechanics creepers that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research. I have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 10, we have the Powerbuilt rolling creeper seat. The versatile design of this mechanics creeper will make sure that you have many options. This comes in a low-profile design, and you can transform it into a seat in no time. Additionally, it does not require any tools to operate, and the padded design will let you have maximum comfort. You will also find the durable vinyl cover for having easy cleaning. Furthermore, you can move it conveniently from one place to another with the ball-bearing swivel casters. Moreover, it has a high weight capacity and comes with top-quality welds. Moving on at number 9, we have the TODOCOPE mechanic creeper and rolling seat. To make sure there will be value for money, this mechanics creeper has a durable construction. It supports a load capacity of 300 pounds and makes sure there will be safe movement. Additionally, the product also has swivel casters that can rotate in 360 degrees. With this, you can have the advantage to transform it conveniently into a garage seat. Furthermore, you will also find a hidden tool for having easy storage. It comes in a waterproof design so that you can clean it conveniently. Moreover, this comes in an adjustable design and has better ergonomics. At number 8, we have the Omega Plastic Creeper. The high weight capacity of 300 pounds makes this mechanics creeper deliver safe performance. It comes in a lightweight design and is very durable. Furthermore, it has HDPE plastic construction that can resist impacts. You can easily move it from one place to another due to the swivel casters. Additionally, it comes in an ergonomic design and provides better relief with the padded headrest. Moreover, the product will eliminate the need for laying down, and you will also find a handle for having easy holding. At number 7, we have the Omega Lift Mechanic Plastic Creeper. The lightweight construction of this mechanics creeper will allow you to move it conveniently from one place to another. This is composed of high-quality HDPE plastic and is very durable. Additionally, this is resistant to impacts and makes sure there will be better comfort. It supports a high weight capacity of 400 pounds, making it great for people of different sizes. Furthermore, you will also find swivel casters that can be great for easy mobility. Additionally, it comes in an ergonomic design, and you will also find mold trays for having quick access to your tools. At number 6, we have the JEGS Creeper and Mechanic Seat. If you are looking to have maximum comfort during workouts, then this can be the perfect product for you. This mechanics creeper comes with memory foam padding, and it lets you glide and slide conveniently. Furthermore, you will also find smooth rolling casters so that there will be easy maneuverability. Moreover, the product has a black finish, which gives it an attractive look. It features a 3-position adjustable headrest for having custom comfort. Additionally, it is available in a low-profile design and has a ground clearance of 1.75 inches. At number 5, we have the BIGR-ED Torin Rolling Creeper. Available in a multifunctional design, this will let you work in comfort. This mechanics creeper has a fully padded construction that offers perfect support to your back. Additionally, it makes sure there will be added positioning as it comes with cushioned headrest. This also has tubular steel for better stability as well as added durability. Moreover, it has a high weight capacity of 250 pounds, and you can even use it as a cart. Furthermore, the product comes with 360-degree casters so that there will be smooth movement. At number 4, we have the Lisle Blue Plastic Creeper. The ergonomic design of this mechanics creeper will make sure there will be better support and comfort. This will give you the option to use it with different types of body structures. Additionally, it also comes with lumbar support and features a padded headrest. The high-quality construction will make sure there will be long-lasting use. Furthermore, this is also resistant to impacts and is available in a one-piece design. Moreover, It comes with pop-in rollers that let you make easy mobility. The surface is resistant to multiple elements so that there will be easy cleaning. At number 3, we have the ProLift Mechanic Plastic Creeper. This mechanics creeper is a blend of comfort and performance. It is available in an ergonomic design and can resist impacts. Additionally, you will also find a padded headrest that offers you extra relief. The molded-in tool trays will let you have quick access. Furthermore, it has a high weight capacity of 350 pounds and comes with swivel casters. You can move it conveniently as it is very lightweight. Moreover, it has an attractive look and is composed of high-quality HDPE plastic. At number 2, we have the ProLift T Black Foldable Z Creeper. The high-quality steel frame construction of this mechanics creeper will ensure there will be long-lasting use. It comes with full bearing casters so that there will be easy movement. Moreover, it allows you to transform it into a seat without the use of any tools. Furthermore, you can have exceptional comfort as it comes with a padded headrest and seat. To make sure there will be reliable performance, this has a maximum load capacity of 450 pounds. Additionally, you can store it conveniently as it is available in a folding design. And finally, at number 1, we have the ProLift Gray Z Creeper Seat. With the ability to support loads of up to 300 pounds, here is a mechanics creeper that has a strong build. This will allow you to have easy mobility as it comes with swivel casters. Furthermore, you will also find a padded headrest and seat for having better comfort. In this, you find a retractable pin that allows you to convert it into a seat. Moreover, this can be great for maintenance tasks, and it lets you use it for a long time. Additionally, this is available in a low-profile design and can be great for professional purposes. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.